How to fix PlayStation servers down not working PS4, PS5. If PlayStation servers are down or PS4, PS5, PS Vita, and older PlayStation devices, then you need to wait until servers get back to normal, and there are simple troubleshooting tips you can try as well to see if there are any network-related issues. First, check the official PlayStation Network status. PlayStation Network status, https://status.playstation.com/. If there's a widespread outage, Sony will usually announce it on this page. If the servers are up but you are still experiencing issues, try these steps. Restart your PS5, this can often resolve temporary glitches. Check your internet connection, ensure you have a stable and strong internet connection. Rebuild your PS5 database, this can help fix corrupted system data. Turn off your PS5. Press and hold the power button for 7 seconds until you hear a second beep. Release the power button and then press it again to start your PS5 in safe mode. Select Rebuild Database. If the issue persists, contact PlayStation Support, they can provide more specific troubleshooting advice or assistance. Check online forums and communities, other gamers might be experiencing similar issues and may have found solutions. Additional tips. Avoid using a VPN, VPNs can sometimes interfere with online gaming services. Update your PS5 system software, ensure you have the latest updates installed. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most PlayStation server issues. If you continue to encounter problems, don't hesitate to reach out to PlayStation Support for further assistance.